Hi guys, today we will talk more about the TikTok application and we will show you how to add Siri voice on your TikTok. So maybe you know about the effect when Siri is talking on the video. So let's check this effect on your TikTok. First and foremost, you need to know that you need to have the good set language in your phone settings. For example, we need to choose English if you want this language in our general settings. So we have the English one. Of course, you can choose another option, another language you want. After, let's go to the TikTok application and let's shoot a new video after tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Let's pick on the central red K. And let's tap on the check mark. Yes, our video has its own original sound, but we will add some text. For example, hi guys. Okay, so to add this effect, this Siri effect, let's hold this text a minute, please, and choose the text-to-speech option, which is the first one.
Hi guys, D.
Did you hear?
Hi guys, D.
As you can see, this effect was smoothly added. Everything is successfully added, and we can go to the next option to post our new shooting or to add this to the draft section. So now you know how to manage this text-to-speech option on your TikToks and create this Siri effect. Remember only that you need to choose the needful language before shooting. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and of course YouTube channels. Good luck to all. Bye bye.